Hi guys! Panoorin natin yung gustong laro ni Esau. Ito gusto niya laro, lagi, araw-araw. Hanggang ko na pilayan! Yan. Yan, gusto niya laro. Araw-araw yan! Daw. Yan, ganyan gusto niya laro guys. Aray. Ikaw na pilayan! Aray. Pahuli ako ng rabbit.
No. Yeah, what's happening?
Isa pa.
Yeah.
That's enough.
Yeah.
That's enough. Ikaw. Dito TikTok. Tok. Ito kami pwedeng laro, ba't ganito?
Yan yung binili ni nanay.
Ano? Dumi ng egg.
Oo. Sinabi ko yung kay kuya, sabi ko, ang dumi ng egg sa'yo, hindi na nga nila nililisan. Hindi na daw pinasal para yung kasi.
Baka nga. Look at your face. Mag-hi ka na. Hi guys. Sali pa.
Hi guys.
Let's watch.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi, Esau Colette.
Asan ko?
Most of these plants depend on insects to pollinate, and they use their colours in order to attract insects.
TikTok na lang.
We have to
TikTok
be
tayo.
able to see it through their eyes and through their
TikTok. TikTok.
We've got the camera that enables us to do just that.
TikTok.